In this video, we are going to unbox and review the Uhuru Professional Microphone Set for Podcasting. Cue the intro. What's happening, beautiful people? My name is Jim and welcome to the channel where we review smart home products and discuss tips and tricks for family tech that can help make your lives easier. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and click on that notification bell. Also, I have show notes, timestamps, and affiliate links in the description box below. So for today's video, we are going to review a gear that you can use for podcasting, for streaming, and YouTube Live, or even Facebook Live. So this is the Uhuru Professional PC Streaming Cardioid Microphone Kit. Now, since the main reason you would be buying this is because of the audio, I will use the Uhuru microphone to do a voiceover on this video. So, excuse me one sec. Okay, so I'm using the actual mic now and doing a voiceover, so please let me know if the sound quality is good. So first off, the package comes with everything that you pretty much need. The package includes the boom arm, the pop filter, the shock mount, the windscreen, and of course the mic and the USB cable. I find that the boom arm is pretty solid once you have locked it in. The shock mount is a great addition because it will absorb the vibration and movement if and when you may at times have to move the mic around during streaming. The pop filter is good to have as well to minimize those P's and B's, or the pops and the bops. It can also help your mic become cleaner. Alright, so let's talk about the mic itself. The mic has a cardioid polar pattern, which is great in picking up sound directly in front of the mic. It has, a little less on the side and almost zero directly from the back. This is good for talking heads where the speaker or the speakers are directly in front of the mic. You should not be using this mic if you are interviewing someone directly behind. You need omnidirectional mic for that. Now the sampling rate is at 192 kilohertz / 24 bit, which is generally considered to be the standard. This is, if I'm not mistaken, a CD quality sound. I do have two things that I wish the Uhuru mic kit has. First, an output to monitor sound right out of the mic, and maybe, an auxiliary out. Something of an output that I can connect this mic straight to my DSLR would be wonderful. That would just be easier to use for YouTube videos. Well, I think anyway. All in all, I find this Uhuru Professional PC Streaming Cardioid Microphone Kit a good purchase. You can find the link in the description box below. Also, let me know if you have any experience with this. Now, since I'm thinking of doing live streaming and maybe podcasting in the future, this is actually a very good start. Alright, beautiful people, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you in my next one.